we already know the solution contain liquid in liquid mixture means in that completely miscible liquid solution. This concept was given by Raoult. In this, he explained that vapor pressure of a number of binary solution of a volatile liquids. What is the meaning of volatile liquid means? These are like benzene, toluene, means these exist only some constant temperature. We come to know that about Raoult's law. What is the meaning of Raoult's law means? The partial pressure of a volatile component of a solution at a given temperature, it is the main important, at a given temperature is equal to the vapor pressure of a pure component and its mole fraction. That is, we can represent as P of A is equal to P naught A into X of A. X of A means what? A mole fraction of A. Means this is called a one component, that is we called as A component, and it is a B component. Here P of A and P of B represented as partial pressure of two liquid component. Then P naught A and P naught B represented as vapor pressure of pure component. Then X of A and X of B are called mole fraction of component A and B. So we know that the sum of two component of mole fraction X of A plus X of B is equal to 1. Raoult can classified two types of solution. First one is ideal solution and non-ideal solution. What is the meaning of ideal solution? Ideal solution means these are solution at which after mixing of two solution there is no change in volume and enthalpy. The volume and enthalpy doesn't change in that's why we call it is as a ideal solution, even though it is obey Raoult's law. We can represent it as a delta V mix equal to 0 and delta H mix equal to 0. Delta V mix nothing but a change in volume is equal to 0 means doesn't change in the volume, and delta H mix nothing but a change in the mixture of enthalpy is equal to 0. For example, benzene mix with a toluene and bromobenzene mix with the iodobenzene. Now, ideal solution we can understand by using a graphical representation. The plot a graph containing vapor pressure along the y-axis and along x-axis it contain mole fraction. So here the straight line indicate the component of B. This straight line indicate component of A. Then total component of A and B means the total pressure of these two component is always equal. Means by this graphical representation we can understand what is the meaning of ideal solution means their delta mix equal to 0, then delta H mix equal to 0 means their volume equal to 0 and their enthalpy is also 0. That means the force of attraction between A component and the B component of the molecule will be a same as that of AA and a BB molecule. For example, benzene and toluene, bromoethane and chloroethane, N-hexane and N-heptane. What is the meaning of non-ideal solution? The solution which do not obey the Raoult's law at all constants, then it is called a non-ideal solution. What are the example comes under this means HCl in water, ethanol and acetone. There are two types of deviation which can comes under non-ideal solution. First one is a positive deviation and next one is a negative deviation. A non-ideal solution with a positive deviation. Why we call as a positive deviation means here we can observe the plot which contain a vapor pressure and a mole fraction along y-axis and x-axis. So here the dotted line indicated what? The dotted line indicated ideal solution where The straight red mark line indicate non-ideal solution with a positive deviation. Why we call it as a positive deviation means the ideal solution which over by the non-ideal solution. It means it is above of the ideal solution, means the vapor pressure is higher than that of calculated from the Raoult's law. That's why we call it as a positive deviation. Even though it endothermic reaction, it shows a endothermic reaction, means heat is absorbed here. That means the delta mu mix equal to positive and delta x mix equal to positive. That's why we called it as a positive deviation. Here the force of attraction between A and B molecule is less than that of AA and BB molecule. What are the example comes under this means water and ethanol, ethanol and chloroform, acetone and aniline. Next we move towards what? Non-ideal solution with a negative deviation. Why we call it as a negative deviation means here we again plot a vapor pressure and a mole fraction plot, a diagram, and we already know that the dotted line indicated the ideal solution and red marked line which show the negative deviated curve, that is called a negative deviation solution. Means here the delta V mix equal to negative, means the volume decreases on the mixture of two component, and delta H mix equal to negative. Here heat is liberated on the mixing, so it undergo exothermic reaction. The vapor pressure is lower than that of the calculated from the Raoult's law. Then it is called as a negative deviation with a non-ideal solution. Here the force of attraction between a and B molecule will be greater than that of AA and a BB molecule. What are the example comes under this means phenol and aniline, chloroform and